Hey everyone, the Anker Nebula X1 is more than just another portable projector. It's a redefinition of what outdoor entertainment can look like. In a market already saturated with compact projectors that promise big screens on the go, the Nebula X1 manages to set itself apart by focusing on high-end features and performance that lean heavily into the premium space. Designed specifically for outdoor use, it delivers not just portability, but an all-encompassing cinematic experience that rivals traditional home theater setups. At the heart of the X1 is Anker's advanced triple laser light engine, capable of generating an impressive 3,500 ANSI lumens. This ensures a bright, vivid projection even in ambient light conditions, something that's often a weak point for portable projectors. The projector supports 4K resolution, and thanks to an optical zoom lens, it can throw an image up to 200 inches wide from a distance of 13 to 22 feet. That's ideal for backyard movie nights, camping trips, or even impromptu screenings in a park. The Nebula X1 doesn't stop at visuals. Audio gets just as much attention with a quad speaker system built directly into the unit. This includes two 15-watt and two 5-watt speakers for a well-balanced, room-filling sound. For users who crave a deeper, more immersive surround sound experience, Anker offers the ability to pair X1 with two battery-powered Wi-Fi satellite speakers. It's clear that this projector was made to stand alone, but is also flexible enough to build into a more robust setup. One of the most unique aspects of X1 is its liquid cooling system, the first of its kind in the projector industry. Heat management is critical in high-lumen projectors, especially in compact enclosures, and Anker's innovation helps keep the system cool without compromising on performance. This is an especially welcome feature for extended viewing sessions or use in hotter environments. In terms of usability, the Nebula X1 is built on Google TV with native support for 4K Netflix streaming, a welcome upgrade from previous models that often required workarounds to access certain streaming services in high resolution. The projector also features auto brightness adjustment for various lighting conditions, making it more adaptable during changing times of day or weather scenarios. Physically, X1 supports a 25-degree tilt via a built-in gimbal, allowing for flexible placement on uneven surfaces. A dedicated remote control button for spatial adaptation simplifies setup, and the unit carries an IP54 rating, meaning it's resistant to dust and light water splashes, important for a product meant to be used outside. Launching on May 21, 2025, the Anker Nebula X1 is priced at a premium $2,999, reflecting its flagship status. For those looking to go all in, a bundle will also be available that includes two microphones, a rugged travel bag, and the aforementioned satellite speakers, making it a true all-in-one kit for group gatherings or open-air karaoke sessions. Overall, the Nebula X1 represents a serious leap forward in the portable projector category. It's not just a step up in brightness or sound, but a comprehensive system designed to meet the demands of real-world outdoor usage while delivering premium picture and audio quality. While the price tag puts it out of reach for casual users, for those seeking a top-tier portable projection solution with cutting-edge features, the X1 is a compelling, future-forward option. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.